Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Trail, in southeastern British Columbia, sits along the banks of the Columbia River, surrounded by steep mountains and narrow valleys. Today, it is known as an industrial city, but its story begins with the movement of people and resources through this rugged landscape. The river, which still defines the city, has long been a central part of life here. Long before the arrival of settlers, this region was part of the traditional territory of the Kootenay Nation. The Columbia River served as a vital route for travel and trade, supporting fishing and seasonal movement. These patterns continued for generations, shaping how people lived in and understood the land. Trail began to develop in the late 1800s during the mining boom that spread across the Kootenay region. Rich deposits of lead, zinc, and other minerals were discovered nearby, drawing prospectors and investors. What started as a small settlement quickly grew as industry took hold and demand for processing facilities increased. In 1895, a smelter was established in Trail to process ore from surrounding mines. This marked a turning point in the city's history. Instead of simply exporting raw materials, Trail became a center for refining and production. Over time, the smelter expanded, becoming one of the largest integrated lead and zinc operations in the world. The operation eventually came under the control of Teck Resources, and it remains a major employer in the region. The growth of the smelter shaped nearly every aspect of life in Trail, from housing and infrastructure to the overall layout of the city. Entire neighborhoods were built to support the workforce and their families. By the early 1900s, Trail had become a busy industrial hub. Railways connected the city to other parts of British Columbia and beyond, allowing raw materials and finished products to move efficiently. The population grew steadily, and services such as schools, hospitals, and businesses expanded alongside the industry. The city's development also brought challenges, particularly related to environmental impact. In the early and mid-20th century, emissions from the smelter affected air quality and surrounding ecosystems. One notable issue led to an international dispute between Canada and the United States, known as the Trail Smelter Dispute, which began in 1927 and helped establish early principles of international environmental law. Over time, improvements in technology and stricter environmental regulations led to significant changes in how the smelter operated. Efforts were made to reduce emissions and manage waste more effectively, reflecting a broader shift in industrial practices. These changes allowed Trail to continue as an industrial center while addressing some of the concerns of the past. Beyond industry, Trail developed a strong sense of community. Recreation, sports, and local events have long been part of life here. The surrounding mountains and river provide opportunities for outdoor activities, while the city itself maintains a close-knit, working town atmosphere. Today, Trail remains closely tied to its industrial roots, but it is also a place shaped by decades of adaptation and resilience. The Columbia River still flows through the center of the city, linking its past to its present. The combination of industry, history, and landscape gives Trail a distinct character within British Columbia.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!